N55 to sound like that, or even close, these are the 5 mods that you should do, in my opinion. I have a few mods on this, but looking back at it, I would have done it differently for sure. Now that I'm at like stage 2, full bolt-on. So I'm gonna basically give like the top 5 mods, in my opinion, what you should do first if you wanna make power on your N55 and have it sound amazing. So none of these are cosmetic mods. So like if you're here for the bumpers and the front lips and the spoilers and the springs or whatever, I don't got any of that. I got a black grill that came with the car when I bought it, so it looks kind of cool. But yeah, no cosmetic mods here. So first mod that I would suggest doing on any N55, get a catalyst downpipe. Got the VRSF catalyst downpipe. So I'm not gonna go too far, but if you want the pops, if you want the little backfire flames, if you want to do the shooting flames map, you need a catalyst downpipe. What I would do next after the catalyst downpipe, get an upgraded front mount intercooler. Can't really see it, but I got a VRSF upgraded intercooler. You'll need that for stage 2 also. I got a blow-off valve. Again, you can't see that. I got a Turner Motorsports blow-off valve. And I'll put all the prices at the end and how much to install, or if you can do it yourself. See, I also got the Canon cold air intake, the whole system. And I'm gonna put the charge pipe with that just because these aren't really power mods. VRSF charge pipe. You need this because they say it'll blow up, little plastic charge pipe that comes with it. This makes it, cold air intake can't hurt, but I throw those together as my number 4 mod. And then for the 5th one, I say go ahead, get a, I did boot mode or boot mod 3, MHD, other tuning platforms I'd say, but with those mods, the catalyst downpipe, an upgraded intercooler, the charge pipe, the cold air intake, and you don't need the blow-off valve, but I love the blow-off valve. It's my favorite mod personally. It makes the car sound like a race car. But with those 5 mods, just go ahead and do a stage 2 off-the-shelf map tune. This is my only cosmetic mod. Black kidney grills that it came with. Got stock ride height. It doesn't look terrible, but even I could stand to lower it a little bit, but I just love the sleeper aspect because nobody expects the 535 to get down like it does. Like, they know it's quick, but they don't know it's fast.